Hi! In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the editorial list. Before you start, you should set up at least one editorial list. You could learn how to do it in our previous tutorial. Okay, let's get started. Open the menu and go to the editorial list. On the right, you will see a collection of editorial lists you have created. You can find a specific list by using search. On the left side, you will see a list of articles. Use the search by typing the name of the article. You can also use more advanced options such as filters and selecting an article by type, category, author, or source. When you find the articles you want to use in a specific editorial list, drag and drop the articles from the left panel to the right panel. The stories you use to create an editorial list will become recommendations. Depending on the configuration, the editorial list may have a different number of published items. You can decide whether a specific recommendation will be published in the editorial list or not by moving it between the top and the bottom areas of the list. Click the Publish button to save your changes and publish editorial list right now or later. To reject the changes, click Options and select Discard Changes. Great! Now you already know how to create an editorial list. Thank you.